Hi traders, this is Srijit. First of all, Happy New Year to all. In this video, I am going to share some of the stocks which are having high potential to provide breakouts in upcoming days. So let's see. The first stock in our watch list is RML. This is the weekly time frame chart. Here if you see, it has 5 resistance on the top and on the bottom it has 3 supports. Okay. It has been trading in this range for more than 2 years. And here if you see, it is forming another triangle pattern. Okay, when the price approaches here, the range is getting smaller, and it has already provided breakout last week, and now it is again retesting this trend line. Okay, if there is a candle closing above this breakout candle and sustaining that trend, then we can expect further up move. So the next stock in our watch list is Greenlam Industries. So let me change it to weekly. Okay, here if you see, it has 5 resistance on the top, and on the bottom it has 4 supports at the bottom. If there is a candle closing above this channel pattern and sustaining above this range, then we can expect further up move. So the next stock is EPL. This also the weekly time frame chart, and here if you see, this chart is much more similar to the RML chart. Okay, there is another triangle pattern formation happening in this channel pattern. Let me change it to daily time frame. See, already it has provided a breakout from this channel pattern, but it couldn't sustain that range and came back from that level. Now here if you see, it has been properly respecting this trend line. I am expecting if there is a candle closing above this breakout candle and sustaining that trend, then we can expect further up move. If it breaks this trend line, then there's a chance that it can approach back to this channel pattern. Stock in our watch list is Bayer Crop Science. Here it is forming another channel pattern. On the top it has 3 rejection, on the bottom it has 4 supports. It has been trading in this range for almost 3 years, and each time when it approaches the top of this channel pattern, it is coming back up to this level. But whereas here, when it approaches top of this pattern, it came back up to this level. Okay, so here the buyers are in control. So in upcoming days, if there is a breakout above this range and sustaining the trend, then we can expect further up move. In case if there is a breakdown below this trend line, and there's a chance that it can came back up to this bottom of this channel pattern. And the next stock in our watch list is Linde India, and here if you see, it is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. On the top it has 4 rejections, on the bottom it has 3 supports. So if there is a breakout above this top of this triangle pattern and sustaining above this range, then we can expect further up move. And the next stock in our watch list is Shradha Corp. Here if you see, it is forming a downward channel pattern. On the top it has 3 rejection, and on the bottom it has 4 supports. Okay, if you see here, it is forming another triangle pattern inside this channel pattern. Let me change it to daily time frame so that it will be more clear. Okay, here if you see, it is forming another triangle pattern inside this channel pattern, and if you see here, it has already provided breakout from both of this pattern last week, so we can expect further up move. The next stock in our watch list is HA Infra. Here if you see, it is forming another triangle pattern. On the top it has 4 rejection, the bottom it has 3 supports. Okay, you see this candle, this weekly candle completely enclosed the previous week candle. Okay, if there is a break above this pattern and sustaining that range, then we can expect further up move. The next stock is automotive HCLs. Here if you see, it is forming a triangle pattern. On the top it has 5 rejection, on the bottom it has 4 supports at the bottom. Okay, so if a candle closing above this pattern and sustaining this range, then we can expect further up. The next stock is Usha Mart. Here if you see, it is forming another triangle pattern, and on the bottom it has 3 supports, and the top it has 4 rejections. It has already provided a breakout last week. See, on the daily time frame it has already provided a breakout, and after this breakout candle it has been trading in this range for more than 4 days. So if a candle closing above this consolidation phase, then we can expect further up move, or else if a candle closing below this consolidation phase, then there is a chance that it can approach back to this area. The next stock in our watch list is capacity inflow. Here if you see, it is forming a flag and pull pattern. So if a breakout above this pattern and sustaining above this range, then we can expect further up. Okay, the next one is Balrampur. This stock I posted on 29th of November on Insta and Telegram. After this breakout, it has provided almost more than 10% move. So from today onwards, we'll be posting regular swing and intraday stock picking video. If you want to get regular update from us, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Insta and Twitter, and join Telegram channel. I'll provide the link below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.